Hello, I am Frank Jaoui, the CEO and co-founder of Optimalex. Welcome to this series of short videos describing the claim adjustment process and how AI workflow assistance and predictive analytics can streamline this process. We are now at the stage of negotiation and settlement, one of the core activities of claim adjusters, and arguably the stage where there is the most art in the claim adjustment process. Most common activities start with the settlement amount discussion between the claimant and the claim adjusters. If the claimant disputes this amount, the adjuster or their lawyer engages in negotiation to reach an agreeable resolution. Second, once an agreement is reached, the adjuster processes the settlement payment or resolution terms. Of course, if no agreement is possible or even desirable for that matter, the defense attorney engages further in the litigation process, possibly up to trial. Finally, the adjuster ensures all settlement agreements and communications are documented in the claims management system, same if they proceed to trial. How AI capabilities can streamline this process? First, those AI capabilities assist in negotiations by suggesting optimal settlement ranges and terms based on historical data of thousands of claims. They enhance confidence in claim value to negotiate earlier and fair settlements. Finally, those AI capabilities help convince insureds when and where their consent is required, such as in medical malpractice very often. Predictive analytics forecasts likely claimant responses and settlement outcomes, thus facilitating agreements and reducing risk of lengthy litigation. Finally, workflow automation can generate email, sharing data and documents between the different stakeholders, the claim adjusters, the management, the defense attorney, possibly experts and even insureds in certain situations. Defense lawyers and claim adjusters essentially collaborate on a shared space and add their art to this automated process. The objective here is to reduce propensity to litigation at a reasonable amount. And of course, the most measurable metric is the win rate and the propensity of litigation. In terms of productivity, because this stage can last 8 to 12 hours, which is often a quarter or a third of the total claims process for an adjuster, well, just increasing the productivity through this stage has a very significant impact. We have measured adjusters saving up to 4 hours per claim in this particular process, and also reducing their external cost. This ends the description of negotiation and settlement or litigation. Next video will be the claim closure and follow-up. Thank you and see you soon.